Hi everyone, I'm Ryan from Evebot South Africa. This is the first of 6 videos where we are going to introduce the Evebot coffee printer to you. Now you might be saying, a coffee what? You heard me right, a coffee printer. This device prints images on pretty much any foam drink, such as a cappuccino, a latte, even some cocktails, beer. We have even printed images on some baked food items. Today's video is about unboxing and setting up the machine, so we're going to do that. Before we begin, if you've seen the Evebot coffee printer in use in some venues, you might have seen it with the webcam. The unit does not come with the webcam. It is an optional extra you can order through us. If you'd like to provide your own, it must be a USB webcam. However, we find the one we use is very well suited for printing with the Evebot coffee printer. In addition, with ordering through us, you will get a print cartridge at no additional cost. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and unbox the coffee printer. Well, there it is. This is the FT4 Evebot coffee printer. There are other models available. Right now we are bringing this machine into the country. So what's included with the Evebot coffee printer? The printer, of course. It has a built-in tablet which cannot be removed. The tablet is obviously used to control the device and to send or upload images to print from the Evebot coffee printer. I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way. If we take this out, inside you'll find a user manual which is due to be updated soon. What looks like a little coaster which actually goes in the middle of your print tray. We take that out and we place it in the middle of the circle. Inside here you'll find your AC adapter and your power cord. I'm going to plug it in now and we'll talk a bit more about the use of the printer. Okay, to power the unit on, simply plug the power cable in the back. You'll find the power button at the rear of the machine as well. But before you turn that on, there's a very important feature I need to tell you about. There's a safety pin inside the machine which keeps the head from moving during transport. You have to unscrew this and remove it before you can operate the machine. To do that, open the flap on top. You'll see a pin with a red head inside it. Simply unscrew this, remove it, and place it in the spare hole to the side of the machine. You'll find details on that in the product manual. Please do remember, if you intend to transport your Evebot coffee printer, maybe you want to use it for events, please put the safety pin back in to limit movement of the print head. Very important. So why the Evebot coffee printer? The Evebot coffee printer creates delight for your customers. Think about customers coming into your establishment, printing selfies with a webcam, or loading images from their device to the tablet, uploading that to your social media feed or their social media feed. Think about the traffic that can create for you on social media. Not only that, but think of the joy people experience when they see a cup of coffee, a cappuccino, whatever it might be, placed in front of them with their picture on it, or a happy birthday, or whatever it might be. There's many ways you can use the Evebot coffee printer to successfully market your business. What about product launches? Product launches is a great way to use the Evebot coffee printer to put your company logo or brand on a drink. The Evebot coffee printer prints on most foam layer drinks. What do I mean by this? For example, cappuccinos, lattes, maybe hot chocolates, some beer, also some cocktails. We have successfully printed on a number of items with our Evebot coffee printer. Once you've removed the security pin, you can now go ahead and power the unit on by pressing the button at the back of the printer. you'll see a blue light and you'll hear the laser head or the printer head move. Before we can operate the printer, there are a couple of things we need to do, such as installing the print cartridge, which we'll cover in a later video, and connecting to the internet, which I'll show you briefly how to do. To connect to the internet, you'll see on the top right hand corner of the tablet two small icons, a Wi-Fi icon and a settings icon. Click the settings icon. Once here, you'll see a few options. Click on Wi-Fi setting and simply select your hotspot or access point and then enter your security key to connect to the internet. Once you've done that, you may return. The Wi-Fi logo should change from red to white. That way you'll know you've successfully connected to the internet. For more information on the Evebot coffee printer, please feel free to contact us with the contact details below. However, please watch the following videos where we'll cover full operation and maintenance as well as safety features of the Evebot coffee printer. For ordering, you may order through us, again, through contact details below, or order on Takealot, where you'll also find the webcam and spare ink cartridges for the printer. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and catch us on the next videos. Thanks very much.